Japan bets on next-gen flexible solar tech to power a greener future. Japan is making bold moves in renewable energy by backing a new generation of lightweight, bendable solar panels made with Perovskite, a promising alternative to traditional silicon-based systems. These ultra-thin panels are seen as a game-changer for Japan's unique geography, where limited flat land makes large-scale solar farms difficult to install. Perovskite cells offer the advantage of flexibility and minimal weight, allowing them to be mounted on irregular surfaces such as curved rooftops, urban windows, and even stadium domes. Japan, the world's second-largest producer of iodine, a key material in these cells, is well-positioned to capitalize on the technology. Despite their potential, Perovskite panels face hurdles. They currently produce less energy, degrade faster than silicon panels, and contain small amounts of toxic lead. However, the Japanese government is investing heavily to overcome these limitations. Incentives include a wise $157 billion, roughly $1 billion USD grant, to Sekisui Chemical for building a facility aimed at producing panels capable of generating 100 megawatts by 2027, enough to power 30,000 homes. Looking ahead, Japan's target is to deploy enough perovskite panels to generate 20 gigawatts by 2040, which is about the output of 20 nuclear reactors. The broader goal is to have renewables supply up to 50% of national electricity demand by then. Companies like Panasonic are exploring innovative uses, such as embedding perovskite panels directly into glass windows. Projects are already underway in major cities like Tokyo and Fukuoka to integrate this tech into new skyscrapers and even sports stadiums. Experts see this as a vital strategy to cut carbon emissions, improve energy security, and reduce reliance on China, which currently dominates the global solar supply chain. As Japan races toward its 2050 carbon neutrality goal, perovskite panels might just be the wild card that shifts the solar power landscape, both at home and abroad.